Hey everybody, welcome to Active Cell Protection Extra here at Wilderness Tactical Products with Sam, the general manager, and the queen of the wilderness. We're just gonna call her that. That's your title.
Queen of anything is fine.
You're it.
Yeah.
This is my ankle medical cuff, and you guys have seen me wear this particular one. I have worn this one for a couple years. It is well worn. Sam has the new version of that here. I mean, it's the same guy, right? And I want to talk today about why I think the Wilderness Tactical Cuff, just the cuff portion of this, is absolutely far and away the best one out there. Big Tex Ordnance is my go-to source for accessories for all your defensive and competition firearms. They have great holsters with accessories for concealment and ship fast at great prices. I'm a proud customer and recommend them without hesitation. So you know, right? You can get these fully filled, and I really love it, fully filled from Mountain Man Medical, right? And they are a sponsor of ASP. And what we have done is people who buy the ASP medical kits, we donate all the profits that come to ASP on that to charity. And this year our charity is a really cool charity to help veterans and special needs kids do equine therapy. And I'll put a link in the description on all that stuff. It's really super cool. So this is my filled version. And it starts with the cuff. Now you're gonna see, the first thing that I'm gonna tell you that I love about this cuff is that the thing is a workhorse, Sam. This one is several years old. Now the funny part is that she's like, well, John, we should put a new one. We should put a new one. And I go, no, I don't want a new one, because now this guy's like molded to my ankle in the right spots and all that stuff. It's soft in all the right places. And that took me a while to get to. And you'll also notice, okay, so finally here, this is what you're gonna see. The only wear on this guy you can see right here is that I have a couple of the elastic pieces that are finally coming out, and that's because this piece right here sits where the tongue of my shoe sits, and so it wears on it. But I mean, that's like 2 years worth of wear right there, and it's still perfectly, wonderfully serviceable. So Sam, tell me about what made you guys decide to make this in this manner.
This idea was brought to us by the guys at US Palm.
RIP US Palm.
Prior, I understand they do more now, but back during the nylon products era,
they
during
their nylon
to do
stuff.
their small runs, and so they had this. They had this that they had talked to a 3-letter agency about, and that's who that's who it went to originally. And then we took what we do, which is build things well, and our, the type of threads that we use and the type of materials that we source, and built what they asked for.
Now, then we made a little bit of adjustment to it. Now there is one adjustment.
That's right.
Proud John moment.
That's right.
Because this little piece right here was a little lower, and it was lower and fine if you put inside there just a set of the $8 shears, that you get on Amazon or wherever. But I wanted to be able to put a set of Leatherman Raptors, and so it was a little high, and so they built this up a little bit higher for me. The regular shears still fit in here great, but if you want to spend the money on a set of Raptors, which I kind of like, because they have a bunch of other stuff available to them, seatbelt cutter and stuff like that if you get in a car wreck. And I've actually used the seatbelt cutter on these in a car wreck to get somebody out of a car whose seatbelt wouldn't come out. It broke the buckle, and so they couldn't get out of there. Seatbelt cutter to the rescue. Anyways.
So yeah, we made that a permanent change.
That's a permanent change. Yeah, that's really cool. So again, I love the sizing on this stuff too, because I have a pocket that fits a soft tee perfect. I have a pocket that fits some hemostatic just the right width. I have a pocket that fits a mini compression bandage just right. I have a pocket that is a little wider here that fits some high-fin compact chest seals, or we're working on some even better chest seals. But there, I got a little pocket back here that I fit 2 pairs of nitrile gloves into. Why 2 pairs of gloves? Anybody who's ever used nitrile gloves knows that under stress, you have this tendency when you're putting them on to break gloves. And so having an extra set of gloves, very smart. So I love that. But Sam, my question is, how in the world do you stay in business making them this well?
Well, we didn't think that through in the beginning, but obsolescence didn't factor in. So people rarely need a new one of anything that we make.
No,
we hope
ever.
We want another color. We hope the dog eats it.
Yeah, right. We hope that you jump in a lake and that ruins it, or I don't think it would ruin it.
And then even over the life of this, we've added different things like more stitches through the Velcro, so the Velcro stays after that pulling over and over. And we'll make tweaks to our products throughout the years to just, when people give us feedback, or when we see there's weak spots or something that goes wrong, what we think is prematurely, we fix it.
Now, you could also get these if you want with straps over the top of them. You do have some customers that like that with the straps over them.
Yeah, and a lot of that, it really just is, in my mind, I want to put a $45 cat with a strap over it. It will make me feel better.
I've run with this. I've done stuff. You see me in classes with it all the time.
Yeah, you literally refuse the one with the...
It just doesn't, I don't feel like I need it. So I've literally never had anything come out of this one. I get it with other ankle cuffs that I've tried. Sometimes these will get a little loose and then your stuff will come out, right? And so you want to have a strap on it so that you know it's going to stay put. I literally couldn't. In fact, when I go to take this tourniquet out, I grab it and rip. When I've done that in training a couple times, it takes a couple minutes to get that tourniquet back in here correctly because it's tight. When I take stuff out of here, it takes some time to get it back in there. So we don't have that. I will say this, look, so you're talking about overbuilt, right? So that's where I put it on my ankle every single day. And you can see that I have actually, over the last couple of years, I've got a little lip here that if I wanted to pull it out, I could, but this Velcro is so good still that I've left this little lip and kind of folded it over, because when I put it on my ankle, then otherwise I have to really work to get it off. So just this little lip here is the only thing that it's kind of folded over and doesn't look brand new. But that's because of the way that I open the stupid thing every day. And I literally put this on every single day. Even when I'm in business casual, or I got to go somewhere and have a business meeting or whatever, this guy goes with me. And I'll tell you, nobody cares about medical equipment. I literally went through, took my son to some professional fights. We went to Bellator, had an event here in town. Full metal detection, all that stuff. Didn't try to hide it from the guys. Took it off my ankle, walked through the metal detector with it, and I was like, he's like, what's that? And I was like, it's my medical kit, bro. Now, he first thought this was a knife. He said, oh, you can't bring the pocket knife. I pulled it out. It's not a pocket knife. It's a pair of scissors. And he was like, oh, okay, that's cool. Just try not to, bring them out. And I was like, I'll only bring them out if somebody's dying of bleeding. How about that? He was like, all right, cool. Nobody has a problem. Taking it on airplanes, taking it all over the world, quite frankly.
One of the cool things too about the cuff is, if you're wearing shorts, you don't have the occasion that you just don't need it. Why? You don't have to leave your medical kit at home. All you have to do is fold that and put it in the door of your car.
Oh, nice.
Everybody has this little thing there in the door. It'll fold up real flat or fold up not at all. Fold up like this, fold up it doesn't matter, but you can slip that right in there. And
in the doorway of your car.
Yeah.
I love that idea.
Yeah.
So we can push that there, maybe a little bit like that. Now I've got this nice flat thing that I can sit in my car. Yeah. I won't, because this one goes on my ankle every day, but he can get their own stinking medical kit. What does this guy run, Sam?
$40.
$40?
Yeah.
Come on, for golly gosh sakes.
Come on.
Now listen, of course, if you want to get it completely filled, you go to Mountain Man Medical, right? And they're great and great partners, and we love them. If you just want the kit and you want to roll your own, as it were, thewilderness.com, and pick one up from Sam. And listen, guys, good stuff all the way. I love this stuff. Thank you.
Thank you. Wilderness loves you.